Nice work on that. Try one more. Let's talk about it, make sure that we're on the same page. So how did you represent this problem? Go ahead and say it out loud. Again, there's a lot of different ways you might have done it. One way is like this. We know from the problem the goldfish swims 2 feet 5 inches, the angelfish swims 1 feet 9 inches. And we're trying to find the total inches that they swim together, right? So we're going to combine those two distances, and that's going to give us our total distance that they swim. What units do we need to give our answer in, and why? Say it out loud. Yeah, we have to give our answer in inches, because the problem asks how many total inches do the fish swim in a day. And what ratio would help us do this? Say it out loud. Right, 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, so here's a couple of different ways that I've seen my students tackle this problem. And I want you to take a minute, read through them both, and then decide which method you think is correct and why. Go ahead and say it out loud. Yeah, so actually they're both right. They both work, don't they? They both get to 50 inches as the final answer. How are these two methods different? Say it out loud. Yeah, the work on the left goes ahead and adds the amounts together first. Then it takes the total 3 feet and multiplies it by 12 inches in each foot to get 36 inches. Adds that to the 14 they already had, and that's how they get 50. On the right, before they add up their amounts, first they convert the feet into inches, right? So 2 feet 5 inches, those 2 feet times 12 becomes 24 inches. That plus the 5 you already had gives you 29 inches for the goldfish, and the similar thing for the angelfish. Then once they've got everything in inches here and here, they go ahead and add the inches and get the total. Either way works. There's lots of different ways to tackle math, and this is just a nice example of that. So my last question here is, how is the regrouping that we're doing in this problem different from the regrouping that we would usually do when we're adding? Say it out loud. Yeah, in this problem, we have to regroup no matter what. Usually, we just regroup if we have enough to do so. But in this problem, we have to give our answer in inches, so we have to regroup from feet to inches no matter what. So we have to think what units are in the problem and be aware if we're being asked for a specific unit. So read this thinking question with me. Go ahead. What are the units in the problem? Think about that as you dive into your work today.